Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Mastering nature, the core principles of French Baroque garden design. The French Baroque garden, a symbol of absolute power and artistic triumph, represents one of the most formal and awe-inspiring landscaping styles in history. More than a mere collection of plants, these gardens were vast outdoor extensions of the chateau, designed to impress and overwhelm the senses. At the heart of this style lie two fundamental concepts: the imposition of rigid order upon the natural world, and the use of theatrical spectacle to convey power. By understanding these core principles, we can appreciate the genius behind legendary landscapes like those at Versailles. This video will explore the foundational ideas that define this grand aesthetic, from its geometric precision to its dramatic vistas. Let us journey into a world where nature itself bends to the human will. The most striking feature of a French Baroque garden is its rigid, geometric layout, which demonstrates a complete mastery over the natural environment. This control is expressed through sweeping, straight axes that extend for miles, physically and visually dominating the surrounding landscape. Every element is meticulously planned and positioned, from the parterres near the residence to the alleys cutting through the forests, creating a sense of perfect, unshakable harmony. This geometric precision is not merely decorative. It is a philosophical statement, reflecting the Enlightenment belief in reason, order, and human intellect triumphing over chaotic wilderness. The design is inherently axial, always centered on the main viewpoint from the chateau, reinforcing the authority of the owner who commands such a vista. Ultimately, this uncompromising order transforms the garden into a logical, open-air diagram of power and control. Beyond mere geometry, the French Baroque garden is a stage for grand spectacle, employing theatrical techniques to dazzle and surprise its visitors. Designers like André Lenotre mastered the use of optical illusions, such as the trompe l'oeil and forced perspective, to make spaces appear larger, longer, or more dramatic than they were in reality. Water was a premier theatrical element, featuring in enormous canals, serene reflecting pools, and dynamic fountains that added movement, sound, and brilliant light to the composition. The journey through the garden was carefully choreographed, with surprises like hidden bosquets, ornamental groves, containing intimate outdoor rooms, each with its own fountains and sculptures. This manipulation of the visitor's experience, controlling what they see and when they see it, was a deliberate dramatic device. The garden, therefore, becomes not a static picture but a dynamic performance of hydraulics, sculpture, and perspective, designed to evoke wonder at every turn.